Hey, what you got? Did Grandma and Grandpa get that for you? Wow. Are you shifting gears? Chase. Really?
Come show me. Come right to Mama. Taking out his rollers. Thanks, bud. Are you kicking back there, sweetie? Are you doing? What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing, Chasey?
You gonna open the trunk?
Open your trunk where the red is, Chase. Show us that.
Wouldn't that be a hood?
It should be, but there's a motor in it.
I'll put a motor in it. Chase, you want to fix this? You want to pimp this thing out? Let's pimp it out.
Chase. Chase.
Use your official motor. Smiley face.
I don't think it's gonna fit, Christian.
I don't think so either. We can always give something a try. Nope, not
Yeah.
gonna fit. Okay, you can have that. We'll just put a basic one. Where's the NOS? It's a freaking baby mobile. Don't need no NOS. No, it's like a little baby NOS. It's like flowers pop out. It makes me go faster.
Hey,
Chase, we're not
Christian.
no flowers. What?
Thank you. You smile.
Chase,
No.
say bye-bye. Chase, say bye-bye.
I can smile
Chase.
at you. I can
Say
smile
bye-bye.
at you.
Bye-bye. Chase, wait, bye-bye. Chase.
Chase, you're in that thing.